What will happen after lockdown? I'll be able to earn money or not? I'm frightened that I'll earn money or not. My job is safe or not. There's the beauty of IMC. It's called self-employment, making business, making money, satisfying your needs, wants through self-employment and direct selling and network marketing. What's network marketing? A small word. We all know how to communicate. We all know how to speak because it's since we are child, we are taught how to speak. We know how to say hi, hello, namaste. This is what we are taught from childhood, and that's what we have to do. Speak to people, go tell them hi, talk to them, ask their views. As sir said, you should know the word no. Many people will say, I'm not interested in this thing. No, I won't listen to you. No, no, it's not interesting. No, it's not good for me. You are saying this thing. Turn the no word. If you take the full form, no means next opportunity. It's a next opportunity. If someone says no, go to another person. There are a lot of people who wants to achieve their dreams, but they are not getting any source. They are not getting someone who can give a push to them. Come on, I'm there with you. We'll go ahead and we'll go far in the life. So we need to develop and we need to help other people and help everyone, because there's a small code that if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, then go with a team. Take everyone and go ahead. That's what sir said. Let's have a team. We have an amazing team of more than 10 lakh people, a family, friends connected to everyone from a small age to a elder age. Everyone in this business, there's no age restrictions and no benefits also. It's like if you have experience, if you don't have experience, doesn't matter. What matters is your personality, your confidence, your belief in yourself. Yes, that I can do something in my life and I'm here to achieve. I'm here on this earth and I'll leave this world in a better manner. That's what IMC's motto is. They are manufacturing Ayurvedic products. In the time where pharmaceutical companies producing chemical medicines, which are not good for health at the end. So we feel like okay, I'll take a painkiller, but it's actually dealing with our brain. It's not directly hitting on that part we're having pain. If we have a headache, what's the main reason? We'll go like, let's take a painkiller, it will be over. But it's not hitting your brain. It's hitting your mental side. You think you have a trust that I'll take a painkiller, I'll feel fine. But it's actually telling your mind, it's stopping your mind to think about the pain. It's giving you a belief, and that's very bad. Initially you're not dealing with the pain. It's getting into your head and it's getting into a system and it's spoiling it. That's what IMC products are amazing. For me, IMC is like a family, and it's amazing thing to have. So my family, my complete family, my uncle Pawan uncle is my uncle, and our whole family is into IMC. Our day starts with morning Shri Tulsi, with drops of Shri Tulsi in hot water, and that's what maintains our whole day. Full energy. Sanjeevni Booty for energy for all of us, and we take aloe vera juice also for our skin, for our internal benefits. There's a digestion and there's a cleanliness we need inside also. We dress accordingly, we take bath, we do everything. But what about the inside? What about our internal organs? We have to deal with that as well, right? So we take all these products, and even in our food, we use IMC oil, IMC hair oil as well, IMC shampoos. IMC is into us now. So we have used everything, we have used all the products, and I can tell the results. I can tell you, and I can assure you the results are marvelous. They're going to affect you in a very amazing manner. And really, if you try, see, they're giving you health, they're giving you a better manner, better understanding to present yourself. Plus they're giving you an opportunity to grow, be self-employed and have business. So today, let's start with a story. As all we have learned, like from since childhood, we love stories. So I'll tell you a story of my best friend. So he's my best friend. He's very elder to me. Okay, so how I'm motivated, how can I connect, how I'll connect it. So please focus on the story. So he was born in a normal middle class family. The father earning normally, going to job daily basis, coming back. He was doing all these things. He also get in. If we have family responsibilities to take care of, we have a family to take care of. We have family to take care of 10 to 4 people depending upon our sizes. So we go with it. So like he was also doing his work. He was doing everything. But the main thing he was lacking every day when he used to go to sleep was satisfaction. He was not happy when he's going to bed. He had all those stress, anxiety. What will happen the next day? What will I do the next day? They can replace me as soon as possible. I am replaceable in seconds. Today, if I'm a programmer, I'll hire a better programmer. Every day, people are learning programming. So I can even tell the machines that humans are making so much. They are using AI technologies, artificial intelligence, to build programming. So we don't need people to program now. So all the programmers, they're replaceable. But in network marketing, it's not replaceable. So the story is like he was also earning, a good handful amount of money to satisfy his needs, but not wants. He was just giving like, okay, he's having a normal middle class, same thing, same legacy he was carrying on. He was living a normal life. But what amazing thing was about this beautiful person? It was his hunger to believe in himself, hunger to have faith, and hunger to start new. He was hungry for success, he was hungry for satisfaction, he was hungry to build a better version of himself. That's why he started a business when he was at age 44. Most of the people will think like, let's retire, let's don't do this thing, let's don't do risky steps, let's save money for a, what do you say, for a retirement, 60 will retire. But no, he didn't do it. He started a business at 44 and he's doing it now. He enrolled into IMC and he's amazingly doing it. He's completely into IMC. He's like, let's try. We have to try. You'll get a lot of failures. The same person has gone through a lot of things. He tried new things, he failed. He trusted people, he failed. Many people took his money, partnership, he failed. All these things he failed. But you know what? He never stopped trying. He had a belief that, you know what, I have to do something for myself and my family and the people around me. I have to make this world a better place to live. I have to make the whole society and whole world a global village, a connected through and have a meaning. Why are we here actually? We are here to produce. We should not like, okay, I came in the world, I'm doing normally and living, and I die. There's no sense in living like this. We should have a motive. We should have a passion. Every day, every morning, I'm passionate, I'm energetic that I have to do this thing. I'll achieve this thing, and I have targets to achieve. And I'll change this world. Today will be better than yesterday. What was this world yesterday? It will be better today. To understand, IMC is giving an opportunity to build it amazingly. So you see, you're earning for yourself. You're helping people to earn. You're also earning. You're helping other one. You're also like, see, you're making everyone earn money. You're not alone. You're not being selfish. You're taking everyone together and going amazingly far ahead. And you're providing everyone with products, the products which are amazing, and what not to talk about. If I can go about the products and all, it will take hours and hours and I won't stop. And even the company, we have a YouTube channel also, IMC Sanjeevani Ayurveda. You can go there and you can read the entire history about the how company has grown from a small and to this vast. In corona time, we all were like, what I'll do, what I have to do. We are all packed in our houses with anxiety, stress, how I'll deal with this, how I'll deal with that. But we had a family, we had a people to talk to. We used to have Zoom calls, we used to talk to them. We had our appliances like Dharmendra sir, Rajesh sir. We used to call them, we used to talk them, how is everything. He used to call us, he used to ask us, how are you feeling? Okay, everything is fine. And that's what it gave us, a family also, and an amazing business opportunity. IMC alone, the company IMC alone, when most of the companies were shut down, the shutters were down, the owners were struggling to earn money. IMC earned from April to July a turnover of more than 350 crore. It's a huge amount. More than 350 crore of rupees has been circulated, and the turnover and the products have been sold in this whole period, in this whole 4 months period. That's an amazing opportunity. All things were locked down, but it was all going through our connections. That's what network is. Person, I know one, we have a connection, we have a link. ABC, I know these three people, they know each other. So that's a connection. They know three people ahead. So that's a connection. That's how we build a link. That's how we build a network of meaningful people, smart people. Smartness is by choice. Everyone is born intelligent. Everyone is born smart unless we believe ourselves that yes, I'm smart. So this is a story about how we can start anytime, any age. So age doesn't matter. I told you, he started at the age of 44 and he's still doing it. And I'm telling you, when he'll retire, he'll have a lot of money he ever thought in his life. And combinedly, he earned until the age of 44. He's doing for his success. He's doing for his satisfaction. We have to sleep with happiness, right? What's the benefit of doing and working all day and we are sleeping in stress, anxiety? We have to be happy. And I tell you, there'll be times when we are like, okay, I'm not do this, I'm not able to do this. You'll be demotivated. People will be saying like, what are you doing in this business? Not benefited when you're not getting results. But don't be motivated. Don't be demotivated. Be motivated. Motivate yourself. Talk to your appliances. Tell them your problems. You're feeling like this. They'll tell you. They'll guide you. There's a quote saying that we should bath every day with motivation. With motivation. If we are not motivated one single day, that day is wasted. What are we doing that day? We are wasting it completely. We should be motivated each and every second. And being motivated each and every second comes from self confidence, self belief. Have that faith in yourself that I am the person who's going to change the world. I'm going to change myself. I'm going to change my thinking and change this world. Let's talk about one of the most important things, that's called positive mindset. Have a positive thinking that, things will happen good for me. Most of the people in this time, this generation, and this era, we are thinking like, I can't achieve anything. Why this thing? Someone please come. All negative thoughts, all negative thoughts. If we are trying also, we are thinking like, if this happens wrong, so what will do? If I'm cutting vegetables also, I'll have fear. I can chop my finger also. Along with vegetables, I'll chop my finger also. So we have these negative thoughts. Don't think about negative part. Only think about the positive. I'll get the vegetables cut, right? I'll achieve my goals, right? There's always two roads. There's an amazing poem, road not taken. Don't take the negative road, take the positive road. Take the road which will give you positive thoughts. Whenever negative thoughts comes, get up, do deep breathing, do push-ups, do walking, and believe yourself. Tell yourself, yes, I can do this. This is positive for me, and I'm feeling very positive. You command your brain doesn't command you. You have the power to tell your brain how to do stuff and how to do everything. So believe yourself and understand having a positive mindset is important. I'll tell you a book, The Secret. The Secret is an amazing book, and I tell everyone to read it. I suggest it. Please have some time and read it in parts. The Secret. The book majorly talks about one law of attraction. you know Most of the problems we attract in our lives. People are obese, people are fat, people have fat. You know why? Because they're not working, they are not going outside, leaving the people who are having diseases. But other people who are just lying on the bed, who are thinking like, I'll reduce my weight afterwards, procrastinating, delaying things, delaying it every day, day by day, day by day, day by day. And that's what it is. It's totally bad. This law of attraction, we attract everything in our life. Problems also we attract, opportunity also we attract. It's all about mindset. What we think from here, we attract positive things only. I have to grow as a crown president, attract it. Imagine yourself being a crown president. Imagine yourself having that business. Dharmender sir also imagine himself that he can achieve these things and be a leader, a top leader. He's a brand ambassador for IMC. He's the main person who's behind IMC with IMC. He's a brand ambassador, I can say. But what is the main thing he had? Self belief, self confidence. That yes, I can do it. And every day, doesn't matter what, he's demotivated, he's feeling negative. He told himself, like, yeah, you have to do this. You have the power to do this. You have the power to change the world. So that's why he said it. I'll talk about some common quotes that we hear, like, work smart, don't work hard. You have to work hard also. Majorly people, they think we have to only work smart. Guys, you have to work hard also. Ladies and gentlemen, working smart is taking right decisions, taking the right opportunities when they occur. If someone is telling you about IMC, like, we have all enrolled in the amazing, what do you say, IMC opportunities. We have manifested it and build a company out of it. We have built a network out of it. That's doing smart things. That's taking smart decisions. Hard work is going to people, talking to them each and every day. Consistency is the word. You have to be consistent to achieve anything. So you have to work hard and work smart at the same time. 90% is your hard work and 10% your smart work. But remember, 5% smart work comes with the beginning, then you have to work hard. 95% achieve 5% smart work. At the end also, you have to do work smart. When you achieve the amazing downline, a big network and amazing downline, you have to work smart by making other people, telling them to work hard, pushing their limits, pushing them every single day, telling them that they can achieve their targets, and they will be able to achieve if you tell them. Sometimes you feel like, I need a person to pull me out. I'm going in a hill and I'm going into a deep dive, but I need a person to pull me out. You should be that person to pull you out. If you're having any problems, you should be the one. While we used to study, we used to like, someone teach me this thing or not. You should teach yourself. Learn. There's an amazing opportunity, amazing internet opportunity. Use that. Use social media to learn stuff. Use your network. Ask people, ask doubts, ask for help. No one gonna refuse you. They're gonna help you. Ask for help. They're gonna teach you everything. Ask for the appliances. They're gonna motivate you. They're gonna tell you how to do it. If you haven't earned one single client in a day, Go to appliance, tell him that I am feeling bad because I've worked out but no one is getting agreeing. But work for the next day, work for that one person who will come in your life. Work for, remember, every single day, if you had a target of talking to 10 people, telling the business of IMC to 10 people, make it 11. Talk to 11 people about this thing. You're getting right? So let's end this whole thing. I know you are motivated, passionate, and you'll be joining this business as soon as possible, and you'll be achieving your dreams. And I'll tell you a small, what do you say, quote. It's a poem written by me and a quote also. So quote goes like, either you die thinking or you die minting. I'll convert that into Hindi also. या तो आप सोच के मर जाओगे कि यार करना है करना है करना है करना है करना है, या तो आप करके, मिंटिंग मीन्स यू आर प्रिंटिंग मनी, पैसे छाप रहे हो, पैसे में लगे हुए हो, पैसा कमाए तो पैसे में लगे हुए हो, यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो और आप पैसे कमा रहे हो. इधर यू डाई थिंकिंग, सोच के मर जाओ, या फिर इधर यू डाई मिंटिंग, कमाने की मेहनत, कमाते कमाते मर जाओ. पर सेटिस्फैक्शन आपको वहीं आएगा, सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा. इट्स ऑल यू डू, यू नो, there's a thing, we Indians are amazing at planning. When it comes to execution, we're really bad at it. We have to improve now. We have to make our blueprint into an image. Execute it right time. Find your inspiration, guys. Have an inspiration, they'll tell you everything. My inspiration is my dad, my mom, my elder brother. They are my inspiration. Every day I look up to them. I have this urge, I have this feeling to work more, to have a passion, to be passionate, to work hard, make smart decisions. If I'm feeling negative also, I'll talk to them for 5 minutes and I'm back with full energy. That you should have. So I'll tell you a small poem. 1 second. Yeah. And we'll end my part. So the poem goes like, it's in Hindi, and understand, it's like how we can have a positive mindset in the negative day also. एक पल एक साल की तरह है, एक पल एक साल की तरह है, एक दिन एक काल की तरह है, हर दिन भूचाल की तरह है, हर बात एक बवाल की तरह है, ऐसे ही बेहाल की तरह, मेरे बुरे हाल की तरह, आज का दिन भी गुजर गया जैसे एक सवाल की तरह. पर उम्मीद है एक दिन आएगा जो जाएगा एक मिसाल की तरह. So understand, we have a target, we have to achieve positiveness, we have to be positive all the time. Have that faith in yourself, have that belief that yes, I can do this, yes, I'll be able to do this. So guys, thank you so much, and good IMC everyone. I hope you are safe and you are taking proper care. Be active, that's important. Do exercise daily, do exercise, do pranayam, do yoga, and use IMC products. They're gonna immune your system and help you fight with the corona disease. Now, I'd like to thank, first of all, the company IMC, then Dharmendra sir and Pawan sir, and the whole IMC team for giving me this beautiful opportunities to present my thoughts. So now over to Pawan sir. Thank you so much, and good IMC.
Good IMC.
Good IMC.
उमेश जी, थैंक यू धर्मेंद्र जी, हमें ऐसी मोटिवेशनल स्पीच देने के लिए, और अबाउट द कंपनी, हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट द बिजनेस, हाउ वी कैन रन द बिजनेस, हाउ वी बिल्ड द बिजनेस. ये जो भी हमें आज धर्मेंद्र जी से और उमेश जी से सुनने के लिए मिला, मैं आप सबका और पूरी बैंगलोर टीम और जो भी हमें सुन रहे हैं उन सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं. गुड IMC. धर्मेंद्र जी,
हेलो.
गुड IMC सर.
गुड IMC.
थैंक यू
सर, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही जबरदस्त आपने जो ट्रेनिंग दी है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरी टीम इम्प्रेस होगी आपसे, और आप बहुत बेहतरीन अच्छे लीडर हो हमारे बेंगलुरु के, और हम चाहते हैं कि आप जल्दी IMC के अंदर वो कामयाबी हासिल करें, जल्दी एक सक्सेस लीडर बने, जल्दी क्राउन प्रेसिडेंट. तो मेरा विश्वास ये है कि आप बहुत जल्दी अचीव करेंगे.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू.
बाकी बहुत बढ़िया हो. मैं पारिक जी, बहुत ही बेहतरीन आपने मतलब मोटिवेट किया अपनी पूरी टीम को. मैं IMC फैमिली की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू
जी. आज की मीटिंग के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. बहुत बेहतरीन ट्रेनिंग रही हमारी. हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आपकी पूरी टीम मोटिवेट हो, और हम नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसी मीटिंग और भी कराएंगे.
थैंक यू.
हमारे बीच में आपके ग्रेट अपलाइन मिस्टर गिरजा जी जो ज्वाइन है.
जी.
बहुत बेहतरीन आपको प्रोडक्ट की जानकारी देते रहते हैं.
जी
है? तो उनसे भी हम कुछ सुन लेते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में.
डेफिनेटली. डेफिनेटली
हैं?
डेफिनेटली सर।
हेलो